Hi everyone, so I've decided to make my first video on this reef tank. It's a Red Sea Max Nano, 20 gallon, and it's just coming to 1 month old. I have inside it, I've got a hammer, some candy canes, which are doing well. Everything's doing really well. I've got a pair of clowns. I got them, I think, week 3. And I've got a nice Duncan, and he's hiding, and I've got a shrimp, not to mention, you can see him, the little dotty back in there. Can't really see him, he may come out. And yeah, the tank is doing really well. I'm slowly putting on my lights, I think 7-8 hours a day, 70%, 60 to 70% blue. I did start at 40 and then changed to 50. And then I think my whites are 10%. Inside, I currently have my auto top up. I just use the D&D auto top up, which works really well. And I think this is partially the reason my water stays really clean. That and the bio marine balls in the back with just some filter floss, which I'll show you in a minute. And I'm running, I think it's a TMC 2000 wave maker, which suits this tank really well. And what else have I got to show you in here? I think that's it for in here. I've literally tidied it all up, so it's nice and easy to manage. I think I feed them flake, granules, and frozen mysis shrimp. So I'll take you to the top. But you can see the water has stayed so clean. I've just done a water change of about 10-12 litres, but honestly I don't think I needed to do it. I had a bit of brown on the rocks, which you might be able to see. Not much. I think I've got 3 turbo snails in there, and is it a little sand snail, Azorius snail. I haven't done marine for years, absolute years, so I'm a beginner again. So I did research, and I followed a few people on YouTube, which just basically followed how they cycled their tank and kind of copied a bit, and it's worked really well. The lid's from London Aquatics. Yeah, that looks and fits really well. Not the cheapest, but it's worth it. Oh, I also have an anemone at the back there. It's a bubble tip anemone, and he's doing well. He's stopped moving for now, which is great. But yeah, he's doing well as well. These corals and anemone came from a tank from someone that shut down near me, so I kind of took them and just to see how they did. For now, everything seems to be going quite well, but hopefully that won't change. So at the back, I took out the protein skimmer. I saw lots of reviews. I did put it in, take it out, put it in, take it out. I found it annoying, to be honest. It probably did work quite well, but on this small tank, I don't think I need it. I've got bio balls down there, marine bio balls with a titanium heater. I've got, I think, a little piece of rock in there as well, and I took out the sock and I run a medium basket in there, just with some filter floss in, and I change that like every 4 days. And there's the auto top up, and I've left the black sponge in. To be honest, it doesn't really catch that much, but if I ever did put my protein skimmer back in, it's probably good for bubbles. I also run the carbon in there, in that little chamber, which keeps the water nice and clean as well. Maybe too clean. I do test my water, and there is no nitrite ammonia and low nitrate, so I'm probably going to try and feed a bit more and try and get that up. But yeah, apart from that, the tank is going really well. That's the month update. I'll do another update at the 2 month point if everybody wants. And as I say, I'm a beginner again, so literally this is all new to me. I did this about, I'd say 15 years ago, but I've really tried to do it properly. They're really good. The thermos, they just make it so easy to control the temperature. So yeah, any questions, please ask and I'll try and answer. But yeah, that's my tank. And And yeah, I'll do an update in a month's time. Bye for now.